If you guys want to know how to make this delicious weight loss Mexican salad, then keep watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a delicious, healthy, easy Mexican salad. This salad is simple, easy, perfect for weight loss. You're going to absolutely love it. And this is my Mexican salad. So let's get started. So the first thing I have here is cucumbers. Now what I love about cucumbers is that they are extremely low in calories. They're packed full of vitamins A and C, and they are great for weight loss. I have my onions, I have my black beans, which is packed full of protein, and I also have my spinach. Now you guys know I love my spinach. Spinach also helps to boost your metabolism, and it also aids in digestion. So I love spinach in everything that I make. So let's go on to making this deliciously healthy weight loss. I'm calling it weight loss because all the ingredients here are pretty much zero calorie. And don't forget my avocados. And what we love about avocados is that it's packed full of omega-3 fatty acids, and those are our good fats, right? This is what we need for good fats, help to lower your LDL. That's what we need. All right, so I'm gonna show you a nice hack in how to peel your avocado. So you have the avocado here. You don't have to use a big knife, and be careful. Stab it in like that, and then just go around with it like that. Keep moving your hands. Okay, once you've done that, take it apart like that. Simple. Take your knife. That's it. It's out. So that's one of the perfect ways to peel your avocado. First thing I'm going to do is put my spinach on the bottom and have my black beans right here. That's my black beans right there. And I'm gonna add my cucumbers. And I have my red onions. Just gonna add that there. Don't be afraid of the onions. If you love cucumbers, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you loved anything on this platter right here, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're not, you love weight loss recipes, you love healthy tips, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. It's free. Don't forget to check out our weight loss support group. That is also free as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take my avocado, easy hack, and I'm just going to cut it like that in half. Rip it apart just like that. And this is a nice avocado too, right? Look at that. Comes off easy. Just put it all over. Here it is, our delicious Mexican salad. Easy and simple to make. Excellent. This is a perfect weight loss recipe. And this is a weight loss recipe because most of the ingredients in here are calorie free. Okay? So let's go ahead and make our dressing for our Mexican weight loss salad, right? To make our salad dressing, I'm going to use the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to add 1/8 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tahini sauce, a pinch of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And this is my Himalayan salt. Shake it. This salad is perfect for everyone, especially if you're a college student. So now I'm just going to pour everything. This is perfect for you. Kids, student, everyone. This is yummy and delicious, simple salad. Just go ahead and toss it, all right? I know it looks pretty, but just toss everything together. Time for the taste test. It's all done. Delicious, scrumptious, and it's low calories, and it's the perfect Mexican salad. Especially if you're a tired mom like myself and you come home, you want something simple and easy to make, this is perfect. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you make any of these dishes that I make on Maxine's Corner, go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Maxine's Corner. Check out some of these other videos as well. And what? Stay healthy.